I'll show you how to install infix any product. From now all of our product is the similar installation system. First you need to upload your file. It is in cPanel or localhost, whatever, it is the same things. We provide the upload.zip file in the main under the main package. You need to upload this file. After that you need to unzip. After complete upload, you can reload here. Before unzip, you need to make sure click the setting to show hidden files. If you don't check mark this box, then hidden file not actually show, and when you move to the original folder, that time it is not transferred and you cannot do the installation process. So you should make sure show the hidden files. Now you can see dot file is here. Select all file and move. It is now in the installation directory. If you enter the URL where you uploaded your file, you can see the installation. It is automatically show the installation wizard. You can follow the on-screen steps. First you need to check the environment. If it is okay, then go to continue. Next you need to provide your purchase code and enter email address. And make sure you should use in the same email address. Otherwise, if you purchase another add-ons or another application, that time you face a problem. So make sure you use only Envato email address, not other email address. After successfully complete your purchase code and Envato verification, then you need to provide database information. Here is the database name, database username, and database password. If you previously install in the same database information, then you can checkbox this one, force delete previous tables. That means your database will be free. The database, you need to make sure you give the all privilege. Without privilege, that system cannot work. You need to make sure. Then after enter the information, try to go next. If it is work fine, then just move to your next step. Just you can enter your email address and password. And finish the installation. Now you are in welcome screen. Go to the home page. You can see installation is done. It is ready for use. Now you can go to the login screen. All for our application is similar system. I think now you will install easily. Thank you very much.